Gold, the king of resources. From ancient empires to modern investors, gold has always been a symbol of wealth, security, and power. But what's happening now is something we haven't seen in decades. In just 13 months, gold has surged by 42%, an unprecedented rise in normal times. What's behind this rally, and what makes gold the safest bet in uncertain times? And more importantly, should you be investing in gold? Welcome to Cut the Noise, where we dissect the latest trends and help you make sense of the markets. For the first time in India, there's a movement of money from equity mutual funds and debt mutual funds into gold ETFs. In January alone, Indians poured 3,751 crores into gold ETFs, registering a staggering 486% monthly growth compared to 640 crores in December. Even mutual fund companies are jumping in, launching 6 new gold ETFs and gold bonds in just the last few months. Why this sudden gold rush? Well, the answer lies not just in tradition but in the world around us. Gold is rising for 4 big reasons. Gold acts as a geopolitical hedge. With wars, global tensions, and alliances becoming unpredictable, investors and central banks are turning to gold as a safe haven. The US and NATO froze Russia's assets as part of sanctions following the country's invasion of Ukraine. And that's got countries like China, Turkey worried. They don't want to see their central bank assets get frozen. And this uncertainty is leading to the second reason. Central banks worldwide are becoming the biggest contributor to gold's demand. They've bought more than 1,000 tons of gold for the third straight year in 2024, the highest level seen in decades. China is leading the charge. And if you look at India, well, the RBI has increased its gold reserves to 11.3% of its total reserves, up from 7.7% just a year ago, marking one of the fastest increases in recent years. The third reason is that gold serves as an inflation hedge. If inflation rises, gold's price tends to rise too, making it a trusted way to protect your money from losing value. The fourth is gold acts as a hedge against the weakening of dollar. If the dollar's value drops, investors prefer converting their money into gold rather than holding onto cash, driving gold's demand and prices higher. While the dollar has weakened slightly since Trump's return, the uncertainty around global currencies is making gold a safer bet. Gold is also riding on what's being called as a Trump tariff trade. Gold is up 12% in 2025 since Trump came to the White House. Trump's presidency has stoked fears of new tariffs on global trade. Tariffs usually push inflation higher and shrink global trade, both factors that tend to boost gold prices. In the past, other assets like Bitcoin and US Treasury yields were also seen as Trump trades, but this time they've backfired. US Treasury yields spiked to 4.8% but have now cooled to 4.29%, while Bitcoin has struggled to maintain momentum. The one Trump trade that's still shining? Gold. Gold has outperformed equities and Bitcoin in 2025 because when trade slows down, people seek safety and gold becomes the ultimate place to park their money. Analysts predict gold prices may continue rising as central banks and investors prioritize wealth security over market volatility. If instability continues, gold may surpass new all-time highs soon. But for investors, the key is smart allocation and diversifying. This was Cut the Noise, breaking down what's driving gold's run. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more market insights.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risks including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.